Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a health and shield overlay for your TikTok live stream in OBS. This is a really cool way to highlight specific game elements and make your stream more engaging for viewers. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure you have your OBS application open and your game capture already set up. You'll want to direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your active sources are listed and where we'll be working to create your overlay. In your sources list, locate your game capture source. Once you've found it, right-click directly on it to open a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Copy. This creates a copy of your game capture source that we'll use specifically for the overlay, allowing you to manipulate it separately without affecting your main gameplay view. Now, right-click anywhere else in the Sources section and this time select Paste Reference from the menu that appears. This is important because pasting as a reference means any changes you make to the source settings will affect both copies, but you can still position and crop them independently. You'll notice you now have two instances of your game capture listed in your sources panel. Here's where the magic happens. To crop your duplicated source down to just the health and shield area, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, click and drag any of the corners of the duplicated source. You'll see that instead of resizing, you're actually cropping the image. This allows you to frame exactly the portion of your game screen that shows your health and shield indicators. Take your time with this step to make sure you're capturing exactly what you want viewers to see in the overlay. Once you're satisfied with how you've cropped it to show just the health and shield elements, simply drag the entire cropped source upward on your canvas. Position it wherever you want the overlay to appear on your stream, typically somewhere prominent where viewers can easily track your health status during gameplay. This creates a dedicated overlay that highlights this crucial information without covering too much of your main gameplay. And there you have it. You've successfully created a health and shield overlay for your TikTok live stream that will help your viewers follow the action more closely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.